For those who want to download the worksheet in these next examples, go to the frugalcomputerguy.com, video tutorials, and then Office spreadsheet. And down at the bottom of that page, I will have the link to download those ODS spreadsheets. In this video tutorial, we're going to go over the CountIf function and show how that works. Now, the first thing we want to do is count the number of people in our group total, in our team list here, team contact list. And we come down to count row 34. So we want to count all of them between 5 and 34. So I'll label this number in team, and I will type in the formula equals CountIf, and it shows us the range and the criteria which we want. B5 colon B34 comma quote, and we want to say now that is not equal to nothing, which is double quote, and then I do another double quote, right parenthesis. So that's like saying if it is not blank, and we have it because we formatted this whole row, so we want to reformat this as a number, and we see that we have 30 in our group, 30 names. The next thing we're going to count is the number of people, T-O-P-L-E, over 39. To do that, we do the same thing, equals CountIf. Now we're using column E5, colon E34, comma quote is greater than 39. So there's our formula. And we see that we have the parents, same thing because this is formatted, so we need to reformat this one as well. Actually, I'm just going to copy this paint, and it copies that formatting. So we have 18 people that are over the age of 39. The number of missing phone numbers, we're going to say missing phone numbers. And to do that, we'll do the same thing, equals CountIf. We'll say F5. Oh, we want to use CountBlank. I'm sorry, CountBlank. F5 colon F34. So if they're blank, it will show up. And again, I'm going to copy this formatting over so we center it. Now the number, what do we want to do now? The number of showing phone numbers would be similar to the number in the team. So we'll say phone numbers, and I'm using my Control Enter to get a next line showing that we saw in the previous tutorial. And for this one, we want to say equals CountIf F5 colon F34 comma quote is not greater than, not less than, nothing, right quote, parent, and now we have 24. And the last thing I want to put in is the number of people, P-E-O-P-L-E, Control Enter, in accounting. And for this one, I say equals CountIf K5 colon K34 comma quote equals ACC counting, quote parent, and we see 11, and I want to copy these things here. Okay, so we have 11 in accounting and 24 showing the phone number, 6 missing. So there's a quick way to get the counts, CountIf, basic CountIf functionality.